Hello everyone out there. This is Udesha Singh from SmartTech, and today I welcome you to the fourth edition of the Git and GitHub tutorial series. And today's agenda will be to make pull requests. And actually, this is the first part of the video where I will be showing you how to make pull requests in your own hosted repository. What exactly are pull requests? The pull requests are basically they let you allow to tell others about changes you have posted to a repository on GitHub. Once a pull request is open, you can discuss and review the potential changes with collaborators and add follow-up commits before the changes are merged into the repository. Now, the current repository, which I'll be showing you to how to make pull requests, in that particular repository, you will be the master. You will be the owner. So you can merge that particular pull request into your own repository. So we will be using the Hello World repository which we made in the second tutorial video. And if you have no idea what I'm talking about, I suggest that you go and watch the second tutorial video. And I will be posting the link here. Oops. You should be seeing the link here. Anyways, so before making a pull request, I suggest you to go to a different branch. Like say, see, this is a master branch where currently a hello world.py and a readme.md exists. So what I suggest you is to make a separate branch, which I will say tutorial, and hit enter. So there you go. You are in the tutorial branch now. And this branch is currently even with the master branch. See, currently the master branch and tutorial branch shows the same stuff. Now let's go to the tutorial branch. And suppose I want to create a new file which says about me.cpp.cn, and I would say hashtag include stdio.h, hashtag include stdlib. Actually, it's not. This should do it. And then let's just say void main printf hello world. It's me. Actually, it should be this. Udesha Singh. And that's it, right? A simple C program for what's it again? So, a simple C program where you say hello world and say that it's me, Udesha Singh. That's it. And I will be saying that just create it's about me C, a sample tutorial PR edition file, and I will commit directly to a tutorial branch. What you could also have done that you, instead of making a new branch in the starting, you could have made the changes in the master branch and then hit this option where you would have named your branch, suppose tutorial, and then went on with it. But what I'm just simply going to commit directly to the tutorial branch because I've already made a new branch. So I just hit the commit new file and this should do. See, now I have committed one change in the tutorial branch, and this branch is now one commit ahead of master. But you may be asking, why are we making new branches? Now suppose you have a project, for example, you are making a new module for Python, or maybe you must be what do I say? Let's just say you are working for an operating system like Windows OS, and for every release, for every new updates, we don't initially hit the changes in the master branch. We'll make a new branch, a version 0.21.23.23.1. For each new update, we will make a new branch, and in those branches we will be adding new features and new commits. And once we have seen, when we think that it's enough, that the what do I say? when we think that yeah, it's time for the release, that's when we will do this, which I'll be showing you now. Yeah. Now the tutorial has been pushed branched, and branch is one commit ahead of master. I would just do compare and pull request. You will see this sign when you have all when the both the branches are in your own repository of which you are the master. Well, adding create me about me, sorry, about me.c, a sample tutorial for edition file. That's how the PR would look. And see, so this is the basic structure of PR. This is the heading. For example, if you are adding the patch of a bug, you will say bug. If you are what do I say? Sorry. If you are improving a documentation, you would say doc. Sorry, doc. First of all, these are no hard and fast rules. I'm just saying what you should do for improving the readability and the context and specifying the context of the PR. And the PR is pull request, okay? Just in case you must be wondering what the hell I'm talking about. Well, right now I'm just saying enhancement. Enhancement means, of course, adding new stuff without any issue. A sample tutorial PR file, and just more detail, just more details, lorem ipsum, blah 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 blah. Most of the developers must know what lorem ipsum is. What does it just signify? But anyways, this is your basic pull request, and now you will just hit the create pull request and wait. So this is a pull request, and continuous integration has not been set up. You can ignore this for now. But let me warn you something. Suppose you are making a pull request in someone else's repository, then you will be saying that, okay, what is this thing? What is continuous integration? Actually, continuous integration apps like Travis CI, Circle CI, and there are many more. I can recall only these two as per yet. The Circle CI would be checking if your tests pass. Travis CIs will be checking if your builds pass. And suppose you have a app like Electron, Atom, or Visual Studio Code, they would be, and you are contributing to them. Then those will be the places where you will be seeing Travis CI and Circle CI right here, and probably a few more tests. Let me tell you a fun fact. In a simple Microsoft library, I don't remember the name exactly, maybe it was React Native. No, hang on, Facebook's library, React Native, there were about 28 tests which you had to pass. And trust me, they are not funny. They are not funny at all. But anyways, back to the topic. This branch has no conflicts with the base branch. Cool. So what do? You have two options. Create a merge commit. This would be adding the branch of tutorial as it is to the master branch, where the master branch will not have any changes at all, but you will see that your repository has one more branch added to it, which has this about me.c. Okay. Another is squash and merge. Like suppose we have only committed once. See, there's only one commit right now. If we would have used squash and merge, if we would have more than one commits, about 5 commits, about creating out me.c, updating it, and then adding the readme for the same. And suppose we have to do is to make all of these changes into just one commit with the same hash. Then we would use this option, squash and merge. And then comes the rebase and merge. Rebase and merge basically, rebase is this particular, this particular branch, tutorial branch, and adds the branch to the master repository, to the master branch of the repository. But to make myself clear, what it actually means is that tutorial, the changes in the tutorial branch will also be accessible to the master branch. Now, I'm going to hit rebase and merge for now. and just say hit this confirm replace and merge, and merge. Pull request successfully merged and closed. Cool. Now you can see in the code, in the master branch, there's a about me.c right here. Okay. Now let me tell you what will happen if there is, what will happen if you do, actually no, I would be telling you that in the next tutorial video. For now, right here, when this, sorry, the master branch. So your master branch now has an about me.c and a hello world.py. So for now, this is all I'm going to tell you. And in the next, the part 2 of the pull request, I will be showing you how to, what exactly does that second thing mean, second option means. And I will show you, what do I say, a demonstration of the same. Well, one more thing, I'm open for any coding challenge or development challenge you might want to throw at me. Well, it can be a simple coding challenge, or it could be revolving around machine learning or web development, as long it is somewhere nearby Python, C++, or JavaScript. Cool. Well, of course, competitive programming questions are also welcome, but I cannot guarantee that I will be solving the competitive programming ones all by myself. Of course, I'm going to refer to the internet for the same. Anyways. Well, I hope you like this video, and if there's any more doubts, you could ask them in the comments or hit me up on literally on my email or anywhere. And until next time, have a good day. Do like, share, and subscribe to the video. And if you have not yet made your GitHub account, please make one as soon as possible. Until next time, good day.